Hey! Woohoo! Into the water. Splash. I actually finished a race. That's a first.
Idea of how well this is gonna work.
or not. Uh-oh, I have to pick I gotta pick a bike. I'm gonna pick this one. Oops. Well,
I don't know if I picked one.
yeah, I'm not exactly sure what happened. Oh
we
my.
got completely different bikes.
Oops. Well, I did great.
We've got completely different bikes here. We'll end your suffering.
Oh, great. I finally make it up the first ramp, and then I fall into the pit below. Well, this is going great.
Yeah. Yeah, that was not a good bike choice.
No, not at all. That was phenomenally failure. I have no idea what bike I had. Oh well. Well.
It was the donkey is what you had.
Okay, well, yeah, that's the most appropriate word.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, look at you. You got an ATV, man.
I just want to ensure the highest chances of winning. So with 4 wheels.
Oh man.
I mean, I just assume that more wheels equals less failure. I don't know.
Hey, I managed to not die. I'm just glad I'm not dead. This is a very weird game. Oh no 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 no! Oh man, I was so close.
Almost did a backflip.
Man.
I just Superman.
Oh, what the? Come on. Oh. No. Oh my gosh. It's the same place every time. Come on, you're killing me here. There we go. Up the wall, because that makes sense. Oh, well. That's alright. We're good. We got this. Oh, no, no, no. No, we don't. This is the worst thing ever. There it is. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm staring at the finish line.
Oh, no, no. Oh. So close. I got 30 seconds to get to the finish line. Surely I can get to the finish line. Whoops. Okay, well, that's not going to work.
Doing backflips is not a
Oh! Especially landing on your head. Oh, pretty sure I crushed my ribs. You've got to be kidding me with this. Oh, so close. So close.
You just collapse.
Fall over. I guess my dude just gave up, man. You know.
My character. I'm just gonna sit here, my character, because this is enjoyable. Flailing his arms.
Oh, I see that. Oh, I was watching you and not paying attention to what I'm doing. Oof. Oh man, I'm one step behind you. Man. I was so close till I face planted and then. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. Hey, I jumped over you. Oh! No, no, no. No, no, no.
I did a front flip.
Woohoo! Oh, I did a backflip into nothing. Oops, wait, what am I doing here? No. Here, just drive. Don't do anything stupid. Woo, man, that was a massive jump. No, 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 keep going. Do not fall down. Oh, man. Well, that was...
I think you're gonna get this one, though. Just gotta go straight.
Hey! Woohoo! Into the water. Splash. I actually finished a race. That's a first.
What is this?
Whoa, what is that? What the?
What is this? I'm on a unicorn.
I cannot, and I can't get my bike to get up past the first.
I'm not sure what I've enjoyed driving more, the ATV or this unicorn.
Oh, ooh, faceplant.
Seems to be rear hoof drive.
Oh, come on.
But the stupid unicorn, there he goes.
Oh.
You made it!
Okay.
Oh, this is what I had the problem with on the unicorn. It was...
I'm literally hanging on the edge of the map, giving it all the gas I have, and it's just, I can't, well, it's a fun trick. Nope, so much for that. Okay.
Mythical creature versus human.
Oh, you beat me. There we go. Alright, it's right up here. Oh, that does not look good. What the heck is that? What is that?
I'm gonna shoot you.
Are you a cat?
I'm a cat with a gun.
You are a cat with a gun. That's the craziest thing I've ever seen. What I need... Oh! Okay, I didn't know that spacebar jumped off the bike. That was awesome.
Oh.
Okay, in case you ever need to know, spacebar is a bailout, and it'll make you jump off the bike.
Oh, I took off.
Whoa!
Man, I got some legs.
You got some serious biking action going.
I've just got some legs. Man.
Yes, man. No, no! Oh, man, I thought I was going to have a perfect run. Oops. Well, that's not going to work. Being stupid. Oh. Oh, man. I was kicking your butt for the longest time, and then I realized what was happening. I was winning.
Oh.
No, no, no! Woo, that worked. What the heck is this? Oh, look at there! Oh, I was right behind you, man! Oh, well, in the bushes.
We don't know where you are.
I
see a bike.
Yeah, well, I'm in the bushes. You can't see me because I'm past where you are, but yeah.
Although, I don't know. There might be some steroids involved.
Yeah, I'm thinking. I believe we're going to have you tested for PEDs. Or Pez, either way. No, not that. Why are you face planting?
I think we might have a Lance Armstrong situation here.
Yeah. I'm thinking.
Okay. I think you're gonna win this this heat.
Oh, come on. Look at there. I actually won. Oh. I'm hiding behind the bench. Hey, look at you pedaling along. Your bike is much quieter than mine. Wahoo! Hey, I'm loving the pedaling action while you're in the air. That is great. Oh. Oh, look at you. Good job. This is utter... Oh, wow. Welcome to the lava world. Whoa, did you just fall through the map?
Fall through? I didn't, but it looked like you did for me. Oh, I failed.
What the heck is... Okay, well that was all weird. Oh, this is... I'm not doing good in the lava. The floor is lava.
Not okay.
Oh, that works. Okay, okay. I'm good. I'm good, I'm good.
I did get it.
Oh, what the? Wow. Okay, how about that lava burst? I got shot up in the air.
I have it set up where you can actually bail out to the finish line.
There we go.
I just finished while not on my bike.
I finished the map and fell off into the lava.
Woohoo! I'm biking the roach. I'm gonna stick with my roach.
I'm sticking with the panda. As long as I'm allowed to ride the panda, I'm good. Oh my goodness. I say that this would be like the worst map for the panda ever right here. Guaranteed. The
panda generally is pretty good no matter what you give it. It will generally find a way, I think, to get there.
What? Oh, you made it to the checkpoint and I didn't. That was weird. Oof.
I would recommend slowly going down that.
Oh, okay. Well, there's alternate.
Wait, did you?
Whoa. There are alternate paths. However, mine led to my death. So, good, bad, or ugly. Whoa. What is? Okay. Yeah, buddy. Oop, not good there. Oh man,
I threw myself into the finish line.
Oh, good job.
Yeah, I'm in one of the crates.
That is awesome.
I'm gonna.
Okay, so there's going to be cars racing around while we're driving. This should be fun.
Because I'm using the donkey.
Go.
I haven't even managed to actually land getting off the beginning platform.
Oh my goodness, really? Okay. Well, I might do okay. Oh, what? I finished. I didn't even see a finish line.
I can't get out of this.
The donkey is not your friend. Oh. Well, for what it's worth, you got 3 whole seconds, so there you go. Oh, there you go! Oh, you actually hit the checkpoint doing that.
Yeah, it won't work for checkpoint. It's kind of stupid.
Oh. Wow, this is interesting. Where are you?
Oh, these are slightly different types of maps. So, basically we're on one track. So
I see.
I probably will look like a.
Yeah, we're ghosting. Yeah. Okay.
It's going so well compared to the last.
Yeah, I've messed up, but that was just because I was trying to make it way harder than it was. Oh, come on. Woohoo! Oh, well. That was an awesome finish right there.
we got through.
Hey.
We got through one.
Trying to show off and instead.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, what was that? What? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I was not ready for it to throw me around.
Yeah.
Oh boy. That's... I don't know if I can make that.
Helicopter blade. What the heck?
I honestly don't know if I can make this.
Did you not finish? Oh, I beat you. How did that happen? Oh no, I don't think your bike's going to be able to make it.
Last ditch effort. Get up there. Oh.
Hug it out, man. Hug it out. There you go. There you go. Oh. Oh my.
I just, like, I start to grip.
Yeah. There. No. Oh, well. There you go. Hey.
My guy just let go of the handlebars. Like, no.
Nope, I'm done. Just forget it. I quit. I'm out of here. You know what? I think I'll do the pedal bike this time. Why not?
I'll be honest. I heard pedo bike.
Pedal? No, pedal. A-L, pedal. Let's not.
It's very concerned there.
Oops.
Yeah, that was...
Okay, pedal bike. Wrong choice. Oh, that's how you go out right there. That didn't work.
Oh,
look at you. Look at you.
I just won.
Oh.
Had you have made that, I would have lost.
Oh. Poor choice of weapon cost me the match. Of course it did. Oh, thank goodness for mercy.
I think we're gonna end the trials there.
There you go. That works for me. Holy smokes!
I'm done with trials for a little bit.
Yeah. I think I've had enough trials. We got it. It was in our system, and we've got it out of our system. At least
the fact that my controller is in one piece still is a victory enough. So.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, we'll call this quits for now, and maybe sometime later we'll revisit trials. But for now, no. I'm gonna put it in the envelope, stick it on the shelf, and stick a stack of books on it, and forget all about it.